Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Image Creator to create a book cover. So, let's dive into the process. Step 1. Set the stage. Begin your creative odyssey by entering your Bing Image Creator dashboard. Step 2. Breathe life into your book. It's time to infuse your book cover with essence. Shape a prompt like this. Craft an intense book cover for a gripping sci-fi thriller. Unveil a futuristic laboratory brimming with enigmatic experiments and an aura of suspense. Step 3. Unleash the magic. Click the Create button, liberating the enchanting potential of AI. A moment of anticipation. And Step 4. Witness the evolution. Behold your imagination spring to life in brilliance. Witness a book cover that transcends your vision, all thanks to the enchantment of AI. With Bing Image Creator, your creativity finds its canvas. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.